Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send Snap to celebrities, right? So let's open the Snapchat mobile application here. Okay, and after that, you have to just give the permission, required permission. And here on the top left side corner, you can see the search icon, right? So just click on the search bar. And here we will search the, one of the celebrities. So for example, if I just search anybody, and basically if there is a celebrity, you will see the star icon, right? So you have to just click on here and you have to subscribe it, right? And you can just subscribe any of the celebrities. So this is one of the, right? And here after subscribing, this is it. So we'll just go back and we'll just go back once again, and we will take a snap here, right? After taking the snap, just click on the next, right? And here you can just make a shortcut here. For example, if I just create a shortcut, and here on the search bar, I will just write here the celebrity name and just hit the enter. Okay, so guys, here you can say select the celebrity, and after that you have to just click on create shortcut, and you can select some of your friends too. And after that, creating a shortcut, we have to select an emoji, right? So we will just select an emoji here, and after that we have to just create it, right? And after that you can see, and after that you can select the shortcut and you can just send it to your friend, right? So this is super easy guys, and if you found this video really useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.